Hey everybody, it's Mark from frogdata. Today we're going to talk about how to add comments to sections in our program where we have that functionality. One of the places that you're going to use it the most is going to be in the fixed ops page under the Open RO snapshot. So to get there, simply go to the navigation bar, click on the fixed ops tab, go to Open RO snapshot. It's going to pull open the Open RO snapshot page of reports. So you simply scroll down to the Open RO list. So as you can see here, we have a list of all of our open ROs. And again, one of the great features of this report is that it's filterable, sortable, um, and then fully movable. So I can, if I want to search for something, I can type in to this column, and then I can click up and down, and it'll search. So let's say I'm looking for a certain RO, say it's 610. It'll start to populate by the 610 RO ID numbers. Then if I narrow it down more, I can actually get the exact RO that I'm looking for. So then if there were more than one, which in ROs there's not, but if there was more than one item in here, I could go ahead and click on a column and then it would filter or sort by that column. So it makes sense. All right, if I want to clear that out, I want to hit the X, bring me back to my full list. So what we really want to focus on here is adding a comment. So as you can see on this first line, for ROID 6076510, we went ahead and added a comment. And you can see the comment here basically says, what is the status? And then it says who entered that comment, and then a status assigned, and then a person that this comment was assigned to, and then what's the due date for completing this task. So very simple to use. All I need to do if I want to put a comment on any one of these ROs, let's say I want to look at this one that goes back to August 10th of 2018, Leba Donovan. So if I want to put a note on there as someone in the system, simply click on the little comment bubble, and that's going to pop open my comment section. The first thing I want to do is I'm going to choose a status. So there's some pre-selected statuses in here that you can choose. And don't worry if one of these statuses doesn't fit, you don't have to click this to go forward. But let's just say that this one is awaiting parts. So I select awaiting parts. I can assign this to a certain user within the system. So in this case, I'm going to assign it to Mark M, which is me, and then a due date. So let's say the due date is going to be on the 3rd. So select the due date, populates, and now I can put some comments. So Mark, please give me an update on this RO. All I have to do is hit save. And then you'll see that it actually comes into the down below. If I want to edit that comment, I'm going to make a change, you simply hit edit, or I can delete it, or I can discard it altogether. So to close out of this, just click the X, go back to my Open RO list, and you can see that now there is a comment on that. That comment, that alert is going to go directly to that user who I selected, and then it will show in my Open RO list so I can see what's going on. And once that RO is closed, that comment and that RO will no longer be on the report. So if you do have any questions regarding how the comments work within the frogdata tool, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, Mark. I can be reached again at email. It's the best way, mark.malartsik@frogdata.com. And we hope you have a great time using this new feature. Thank you.